Hi there, it's Kelly, Blackheart Prims, and I know you're probably thinking, what in the hell is she doing? Well, I just thought I'd do a little show and tell. What you're looking at is Diesel's dog bed, and actually it's for all the dogs, but he primarily uses it. And for those of you that don't know, I have a Neapolitan Mastiff, and he's about 150 plus pounds, and he's a big dog. And so anyways, I came across this particular dog brand called Mammoth dog beds, and I love them. I think this one was like $120 and well worth the money. So I've just washed it, because that's the cool thing. Everything is Velcroed. And his happens to have two pieces. So I'm going to try to show you guys. Oh, look, he knows I'm talking about him. So he's wandering in. So there's Diesel. Here's the bolster. So I'm going to kind of show you. I'm hoping this will be in frame. And I'm in my clean house clothes. Let's see here. Okay. Here's the, I'll do this first. Gosh, I have no idea if I'm in frame. Let me get that out of the way. But here's what would be the pad. So, and it Velcros. And this is like really high quality, I don't know, I forget what, like a canvas. Watch out, Diesel. And what happens is the canvas, Diesel, get off the bed. The canvas is so thick, it really doesn't allow, come on boy, get off, the dirt to go through into the cushion. So, Diesel, get off. So I wash it every 2 weeks in the wintertime, just because the dogs bring in, a lot of dirt and whatnot. And I mean, it is work, don't get me wrong, but like, I'm out of breath. And the cool thing is, the canvas, it kind of like tightens up, like if you get one, don't, wash it in cold, and then when you dry it on low heat. And what I do is I dry it, I have a time dry cycle, so I dry it, I don't even know if I'm in frame, but I dry it for, I think it's like 40 minutes, and then I'll take it out and I'll either hang it outside, like on top of the grill, and I'm just kind of readjusting. But there's are you guys, oh yeah, I guess I'm in frame. So there's the pillow, okay? This is my workout for the morning. And then here's where the bolster goes in. This one can be a little tricky. But the cool thing about it, like I said, everything's Velcroed, which I love. I'm trying to get this. What I normally do, because actually right here where you're seeing this is where his dog bed generally is. So I lay the bolster down, and there's oh shoot, hang on, wrong way. I do. Let's see here. Yeah. There's a stitch spot right here that doesn't un-Velcro. I got to get down. That's what happens when you're fat. You can't hardly breathe when you do small, tedious things. Okay, so and again, I have no idea if I'm in frame, but you just kind of feed the bolster part in, and I kind of get it going, and then I'll reach in from the other side. But he loves this. We have 3 large dogs, and I was going through a dog bed like once every few months, and it gets expensive, So I came across, it's called Mammoth dog beds, and they are pricey, and they have, like, this is the large oval, and they were running a special on the large oval or oblong, I can't recall, and I got it, like I said, for like $120. But basically you just, feed it in, like close it as you go. But Maggie, the boxer, Cinder, she's not really a dog bed kind of dog. She's happy just laying on the floor. But Diesel, he doesn't have any hip problems, thank God. Of course, he's only 4 years old, or he's either going on 3 or 4. He really loves this bed. And the cool thing is I can lift the cushion out of it and vacuum it. And that's what I do in the summertime. So really in the summer, I only wash it like once a month. I mean, unless they happen to, be real dirty and bring, something that I can't vacuum up, or, as you can tell, I don't have any carpet in the downstairs, and this is primarily where I am. So they're generally with me. So when they track dirt in, it stays on top of the floor. So, I just vacuum my floor twice a day. I vacuum it in the morning, and I vacuum it before I go to bed, roughly. And this is really strong, sturdy Velcro, and sometimes I have to clean the Velcro itself, because when I wash it, all the hair from the dog bed itself gets on. But for the most part, I love this bed, and the dogs love it. So I'm trying to hurry up because I think I can only record under 15 minutes and upload this on YouTube. So I'm kind of doing this a little faster. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this because, like I said, our dogs are, they're like our kids. And, especially if you've got a large dog, like Diesel, you want to really make sure you take care of them, because later in life they can have hip problems, and whatnot. And then I'm getting towards the end, so as I get whacked in the face. So then you just feed this in. Okay. And, you know, when they get on it, it'll conform to their body. It's filled with like a foaming, like a fiber fill, and like kind of like that Tempur-Pedic type stuff. I don't think there's any kind of sawdust or cedar because I don't smell it. But I've had this dog bed a year. Okay. Okay. So, oi. So then Velcro side, so then you just flip it over. Okay, and it looks like a big donut. And then you put the bed in the center, and voila. And once he gets in it, on it, he woo, I'm pooped. He you know, he adjusts it to how he likes it. But I mean, you can see it's a, let me see here. Here's Maggie. I'll see, so you can kind of get an idea. Come here, Max. Come here. Get in the bed. Get in the bed. Good girl. So there's Maggie, and you can see a lot of times she'll lay at this end, and Diesel will lay at that end. And his head, he loves to rest his head on the bolster, and he'll flop it off. But two dogs fit on this one. They do have a bigger one that I was going to get, but I wanted to try this one first before I spent the extra money. And so you can see he's already wanting to make a, he's jealous. He knows it's his bed. So, okay guys, I just thought I'd share. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next video. Look at, there's Maggie. Hi, say hello, YouTube. Say hello. All right, toodles, guys.